For sandwich making, we need bread, jam, jeera, carrot, tomato. We take one bread and apply some jam. Afterwards, we keep one jeera and one carrot and one pepper and one ready to eat sandwich. First